Hello students, today's Friday Fun Day. I'm going to teach you how to make this paper fidget. It's made out of paper and tape. What you will need to make this are some colored pencils, or markers if you would prefer, some tape or glue. I prefer to use tape, it's a little bit easier, and some scissors. You will also need this template. I will send it to you. So the first thing you're going to do when you get this template is you're going to start coloring in these triangles or diamonds. However you want to color it, there's no specific way that you have to color it. When I made this one, I colored all of these in a row one color, then the next row another color, so that it looks like this. And when I did it that way, when I folded it together, all the purples were together, the pinks, the greens, the blues. Once you have it colored in, you need to cut out the perimeter. So you would cut out on the perimeter only the entire shape so that it looks like this. Okay. The next step is you have to put a fold or a crease on every single black line and dotted line. So you need to fold on this line here. And I like to fold it both ways so that I get a nice solid crease on it. Then I got to fold the next one and fold it both ways. Then the next one I would fold. And then this one down here. And then once I folded all of those, then I have to fold these this way. Every single black line has to have a fold or a crease on it. And then every single dotted line has to have a fold or a crease. And if you fold it both ways and give it a nice crisp fold with your fingernails, it works really well. So then once you have it colored, cut out, and all the dark lines have a crease or a fold in it, now you can assemble it. This is kind of tricky. So where these blue little blobs are, that's where you would put your glue. And in my case, I'm going to use tape. And this piece here is going to fold around and go right on top of that. So this blue goes right on top of that like that. So underneath is the blue dot. And then you fold it like that. Now you got to put a little bit of tape on these. This is the hard part too, not only folding it. So I'm going to put a little piece of tape on it to hold it, and another piece of tape over here. So my first section is taped together. Now I'm going to do the next section. I'm going to fold this top and lay it on top of that blue, those blue dots. So it goes over it like this, right on top of it like that, and I'm going to tape those. Helps if you have your tape already prepared. And then I have one last section to tape over, which I'm going to, same thing, I'm going to put it right on top of those blue dots. It's going to fold right over like that. So where those blue dots are, this piece just comes over and goes right on top of it, and I'm going to tape those. Tape on the edge, tape on the edge. Now the whole thing is taped together. I just have to take these two ends, put them together, and put a piece of tape over the edge. It's right there, and that's tape. And I will flip it over and tape the other side. And this piece of tape I'm going to use a little bit longer, make it a little bit sturdier so that it's taped together. And there you have it, your paper fidget. Enjoy! See you next time!